What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Rev Rain. My name is Jack and I hope you're having a good day. If you're watching this video, you're probably a car guy and you want money. I mean, who doesn't want money, but I'm gonna show you how. So it's been a bit since I've uploaded and I've been plotting and scheming and coming up with different ways to fix this Miata. Now, I know exactly how to fix it, I just don't have the money. And yes, you could get a job, but sometimes you're just shit out of luck and you need extra money, like now. So I thought, I'm already gonna be doing this, why not record it and make a video out of it and help you guys make money? So chances are, if you're a car guy, you have old parts. From upgrading to new parts, maybe you just have scrapped a car or just have extra stuff lying around. Sell that. You have no idea how many people have broken parts, like that specific part that you may have, that will pay quite a bit of money for that part. For example, say this manifold, or that manifold, or that manifold. I don't know why there's so many manifolds right there, but say somebody needs one of those, you can just sell it to them on eBay or Facebook and make quite a bit of money. And it stacks up. Even if you sell them for like $40, that's another $40 right there. That's 80 bucks, 40, that's 120. Like, you can make money off your junk. Let me just go through all the parts, like stashes that I have around the shop. In here, we've got tons of parts, head gasket, all sorts of Miata stuff, exhaust, shocks, a head for, looks like a Volkswagen, camshaft from a Volkswagen. Oh God, okay, you can't see it, but that is flickering, but the camera doesn't pick it up. That's kind of interesting. All sorts of engines and transmissions here. These are all, or that's mine. These are all Nevin's, so I can't really sell those. Got doors. We've got, let's see. Oh, right here, my motorcycle. Got extra motorcycle parts. Like there's a baffle, there's an exhaust, there's a seat that I'm not gonna use. If we go into here, here's just a bunch of parts. The motorcycle headlight, which I'll use, and just a bunch of parts for the Miata. And then we have, oh, okay. This car is full of parts that we can sell, like that test pipe. I don't think anybody's gonna use that. Just a bunch of shit everywhere. Let's see if we can find more piles. Oh, yep, there's another block. Here's a big pile of scrap. This is more scrap and less parts, but that's part of the motorcycle exhaust, some clutches. Oh, we're coming up on the big pile right here. So here we have a ton of my Miata stuff. So this is all from my Miata. Let's see, we got a cat, that's worth quite a bit of money. A block, alternators, AC condensers, air compressors, whatever. A turbo right there that's gone bad that I can sell. Of course, I'll market it as junk. Like if you want to fix it up, you can. I'm not gonna market it as a new turbo. But I got some headlights from jobs, and this whole bin is just full of junk Miata stuff, like a crankshaft down there. That's like 400 bucks. And a full exhaust. And then over here we got another transmission. This is all Nevin stuff, but well, of course I'm not gonna sell this, but this is all just stuff from his car. If he wanted to sell it, he could make quite a bit of money. So I'm gonna list all of this stuff on Facebook and on eBay, and I'll see what prices I can get, like what other say TD04 turbos are worth or other exhausts are worth, and I'll price them accordingly. Of course, if mine is a little worse for wear, I'll subtract some money. Now that small stuff is nice to sell because it'll stack up and get you quite a bit of money, but one of the main things is selling your, okay, this is gonna sound bad, but adult toys.
What do you mean by that?
Like your ATVs, your side-by-sides, if you have one, like your four-wheelers, motorcycles, bikes even, like anything that people will have fun with and that you are not using anymore, sell it and put it towards the project you will use, like that. So yesterday I spent most of the day hauling those adult toys over here to the shop from my house. I have two go-karts and two four-wheelers that me and my dad put on a trailer and hauled over here, and I'll show you guys those and see how much money we can get out of them. Now, it might not be all in this video because I'm gonna sell them like later and I have to fix them up. In the future, I'll make an update video and you can see how much money I made from those. They're outside and I'll go show you them. So right here we have a two Crossfire 150Rs. They're a little rough, a little worse for wear. Rusty on the frame some places, but it's better than just sitting. It's better to sell them than just let them sit. So if I can clean this up, like clean up all this junk down here and fix up the engine, I can make probably at least like 500 bucks on each of them. So that's the first one. And here's the other one. They all have tires that are off the rims. So if I can kind of find a trick to put those on or put new tires on, that'd be great. But they're, I'm sure they'll be fun for somebody. And money in my pocket is better than no money in my pocket. And then we have the four-wheeler, the first four-wheeler, I believe it's a Kickstart, some Suzuki. And this is the real moneymaker right here, the Kawasaki Prairie 650. This is, I can probably get 2 to 3 grand out of. It's in decent shape besides the plastics kind of sun bleaching. I think it was red and now it's pink. And for the big boy ballers, you can find yourself a car and see if you can sell it. Fix it up, maybe find a lemon. And like this one, I'm gonna make a video or series on restoring this. So the paint is really bad. It's spray painted. It's glittery, but definitely spray painted. And the brakes are shot. The interior is nice, besides that door panel, which is right back there. The engine it runs, I think, but it needs. Actually, I'm gonna censor that. I don't want you guys knowing what's wrong with it yet. I want you to watch that video on that I'm gonna upload of me buying it. I haven't bought it yet, but I'm buying it for a ridiculous price. It's like I don't want to say, I don't want to spoil anything for the video. If I can flip it properly, I can make probably, those things sell for like 5 to 9 grand, like in decent condition. So I can probably get maybe 4, 5, 6 grand out of it and build those offices over there that I've been wanting to. So on top of that car out there, I'm also fixing up this motorcycle. I got this for free. It was a barn find. It's hard to say how you stumble across these good deals, but when you see it, you know you got a good deal. You got to jump on it and resell it. Like, that's how you make money in this game. One of the things that'll really help with selling stuff is this parts cleaner. If I can take some of the grubby parts and wash them in here and make them look new, people want to buy them. So this could be a good investment. I think it's like gonna cost you maybe like 150 bucks total for all the liquid and the tub. It has the suction, the pump and everything. So that'll be helpful. So now that I've run through what I'm selling, it's time to sell it. I'm gonna make a list of all the parts, basically take inventory and look them up and see how much I can get out of them.
Excuse my dirty hands, but I've got most of the stuff that I want to sell here. We got my intake and exhaust cam. I can probably get like 130 out of that set. 100 bucks there for the intake. Probably 300 for the oil pan plus that baffle. We got the crankshaft, which I can probably get like 200 to 300, and then like about, I don't know, like 120 for the pistons, and maybe like 30 for the set of cam gears. That's all I want to clean. There is more that I am going to sell, but this is just going in there, and I'm going to clean in there. So let me cue up a time lapse. Okay, now that this stuff is washed, I'm going to dry it off. Don't worry, this is not corrosive. It won't rust. It's mineral based, spirit based. Yeah, it's the stuff is. Let me show you. It's I think Tractor Supply's PSC 1000. That stuff cleans like nobody's business. I guess it's kind of ironic I say that. I couldn't get this super clean, even with the Scotch-Brite and steel wool.
it would not clean. So I'm probably just gonna sell it as is. Let me dry this stuff off, and I'll see about getting all the parts listed and show you how much I listed them for. Now that I have nice pictures of everything, I'm gonna go home and list all this stuff on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, like the stuff I can't sell, like this, or can't ship, like the airbag or this big exhaust. You can see here I'm on Facebook and I have some of the stuff I've listed. Not all of them. I still have to list the oil pan and a couple more things. Now I don't have all of these listed on eBay yet because you have to provide box size, and I have to find boxes that'll fit these things and then measure them and weigh them and then put them on eBay. But for this, you can just sell them locally. I guess thus concludes today's video. I hope you make a lot of money on the parts you sell. I want to say thank you for watching and thank you for 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me, and I want to say the next couple videos are going to be really special, big videos, and then I might be switching it up a little bit. I'll see. I'll keep you guys updated, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to buy merch, revrain.com.